Hello guys, here's my phone Motorola Moto G7 Power, version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Start unpacking. Full completion. In completion we have protected back cover. Okay. And in completion, protected film on display, guarantee papers, documentary, headphones, key for SIM slot, cable, USB Type-C cable and adapter for charging. And now talk about device. On the back side, camera and LED fingerprint scanner. On the front side, display 6.2 inch. On the left side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power cable case. Downside, USB Type-C port and microphone. Okay, turn on device, LTPS matrix, HD resolution, open settings, Android 9, and open Geekbench 4. Geekbench 4 talk about system information, RAM memory 4GB, digital memory 64GB, CPU Snapdragon 632, this is octa-core processor, CPU speed 108 GHz, GPU Adreno 506. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, Antutu benchmark, Antutu score. Okay, and open Dematic game, Guitar San Andreas. Look how Guitar San Andreas work on the device. Offline, settings, medium level. Okay, start in medium level settings, Guitar San Andreas, and wait. Okay, game load. On this level, game works good. Without lags, without glitches, but this medium level. Okay, Guitar San Andreas works good on medium graphic level. And talk about camera. Camera 15 megapixels main camera, front camera 8 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.